So I just stumbled upon this tool called pgstream. It's all about Postgres replication with DDL changes. Pretty fascinating, right?
Wait, are you saying it can track schema changes and replicate them? That's a game changer for managing databases.
Exactly. Think about it. No more manual synchronization between databases. But does this mean we're eliminating potential data inconsistency issues?
That's a good point. But there might still be some risks, especially with DDL changes happening while data is being streamed.
Right? I wonder how they handle those conflicts. It's like trying to update your app while it's still running.
Totally. And from what I read, there's support for multiple targets like Elasticsearch and even webhooks. That's super versatile.
But doesn't that add complexity? I mean, each target might have different replication requirements.
Yes, and that's exactly where the configuration comes in. You can customize it through YAML files, environment variables, or even the CLI.
Speaking of configuration, they have this Docker setup that spins everything up automatically. That's like instant gratification.
Haha, yes, that's a huge relief for anyone setting this up. But what's the trade-off? Is it all as easy as it sounds?
Well, there's the initial setup, of course. The replication slot configuration needs to be spot on to avoid issues.
Exactly. And we should mention the limitations like single Kafka topic support. That could be a bottleneck.
And the fact that primary keys are a must for replication. What if someone's database design doesn't fit that mold?
Good point. That could leave certain databases out cold. It's definitely something to consider.
On the flip side, the column value transformations can mask data on the fly. That's pretty useful for privacy.
For sure. Yet, I wonder how effective those transformations are. Can they be a weak link in the chain?
I see what you mean. If there's a flaw in that transformation logic, it could lead to data leaks.
And let's not forget about the performance benchmarks they offer for replication and snapshots. That's an added layer of credibility.
Absolutely, but were those benchmarks done under realistic conditions? That's something to dive into.
You're right, context matters a lot when evaluating performance. It's more than just numbers.
So if we piece this all together, it sounds like pgstream is powerful but not without its caveats, right?
Exactly. It's an exciting tool but needs careful consideration regarding your unique database needs.
Which leads me to wonder, for someone just starting, would the benefits outweigh the potential pitfalls?
That's tough. It depends on their familiarity with Postgres and data replication. It's a learning curve.
True, plus there's a community around pgstream for support, but how engaged are they?
Well, community support can make a huge difference in troubleshooting and finding best practices.
Right, I suppose if you can tap into that, it balances the complexity a bit.
Exactly. And for those who do take the plunge, they might unlock a ton of flexibility in their data operations.
Which is totally valuable, but I do wonder how rapidly it evolves. Are updates frequent?
From their GitHub, it seems they're quite active, but we should keep an eye on change logs for crucial updates.
Definitely, it's like being part of an evolving landscape, always something new to adapt to.
And think of the implications for organizations that manage large data sets. Can they keep pace?
That's a valid concern. Data is always changing and staying ahead is paramount.
So, in summary, pgstream seems promising, but definitely requires due diligence before diving in.
Couldn't have said it better, so what's the take-home for our listeners? Dig deep, ask questions, and then jump in.
Exactly. And make sure to weigh your organization's specific needs against the tool's strengths and limitations.
And remember, the data is only as good as how you manage it. Until next time, keep exploring.